Hello. An electron falls from the rest through a vertical distance of h in a uniform and vertically upward directed electric field E. The direction of electric field is now reversed. Keeping the magnitude the same, a proton is allowed to fall from rest. It's through the same vertical distance h. The time of fall of the electron in comparison to the time in fall of proton is. Let's see. So for this one, electric field is in upward direction, and for the proton, the electric field is in the downward direction. So as you can see from the figure, now we know that mg plus Fe equals to Ma. From here, in both the cases, if we take it, we will get that A equals to G plus E by M into E. So that shows us that A is inversely proportional to M. Now, if A is inversely proportional to M, that means if H equals to half AT square, that means that H is directly proportional to A, which means it's inversely proportional to M. Now, T equals to under root 2H by A. So if you look at that, that means that under root 1 by M. It's proportional to under root 1 by M. Now if you look at that part closely, that means that T is proportional to root ME and also proportional to root 1 by MP. So that's T1, and let this part be T2. So as we already know that the mass of electron less than the mass of proton, hence T1 is greater than T2. So for the question, the time of fall of proton is smaller.